Hey, do you want to know what the best marketing strategy is for your auto repair shop through 2020? Well, let me tell you what my underground group of car count hackers is focusing on. The good news is there's only 3 things that you got to look for and watch for, but stay tuned to the end of this video because I have something totally different for you. All you have to do right now is go ahead and buckle up, hit that like button, and see you on the other side. Hey, it's Matthew here, the Car Count Fixer. If you're an auto repair shop owner and you want to grow your car count, income, and profits, go ahead and smash that subscriber button, ring the bell icon, and you'll be on your way. So a lot of questions that I get and emails that I get this time of year is, Matthew, what's new? What's changing? Where's the industry going and what do we need to focus on? Well, coincidentally, I have that same conversation with my underground group of car count hackers. And after all of the discussion and everything else, we've boiled it down to 3 major components that are, I think you'll see, as really critical. Number 1 is attention. If you can't get your customers' attention in today's overcrowded marketplace, you just can't get car count. Now, I say overcrowded because do you realize, it used to be that we only saw 3,000 messages a day, but with all of the various options for advertising and marketing, whether that be your Facebook feed, LinkedIn, YouTube, Google search, Google AdWords, how do you stand out? Well, of course, without having to wear a chicken suit. So one of the things that we're focusing on is getting attention. The second strategy that we're focusing on is retention. Now, this might not be something that you're thinking of if you're looking for new customers. But let me tell you this, the best opportunity you have for increasing your ARO and getting more car count is your customers. So how do you retain them to keep them coming back? Because let's face it, every one of us has seen the Quick Lube sticker on your customer's car, so he didn't come to see you for an oil change. Think about that. How do you retain that customer so that they continually go back? And here's something else that you can do. Take you a minute or two. Go ahead and run a report on your system of all the people that have been in your shop in the last 12 months. Go ahead and do that, and most reports will tell you when the customer first saw you, what their first visit was, and their last visit. Now, every time I dig into the data for my underground group of car count hackers, especially when I have new shops coming on board, you look at that data and there's an overwhelming number of people whose start date and end date is the same. That means you didn't do a good enough job in retaining them. Because let's face it, everyone else is out there looking for your customer. So after attention, it's retention, getting that customer to continually come back. The third issue that we're working on is establishing authority. That's right, authority. Because if you've ever seen the competitor's oil change sticker in your customer's car, obviously you weren't the first guy that they thought of. How do you position yourself so that you're not one of the people they think about, not the first guy they think about, but you're the only guy they think about, or gal, when it comes time to auto repair service? So in short, it's all about attention, retention, and authority. But here's something I told you about at the beginning of this video, and I urge you to do this. I've just implemented a brand new Car Count Hackers Elite text messaging community. All you have to do is text the word hello to 716-402-5998. Just text the word hello to 716-402-5998. As part of the Car Count Hackers Elite text message community, I promise you're not going to get spammed, but you're going to get special information, things that I discuss, almost a behind-the-scenes look at some of the strategies and things that we're doing with my underground group of car count hackers. And every couple of weeks, you're going to get a message for a new video, a new post, or something along those lines. I promise you're not going to get spam, but go ahead and text the word hello to 716-402-5998. Go ahead and do that now, because there's something else that I just released on that channel that is going to totally change the way you look at this. I'm not going to get into it here. I know you're busy. Just remember that you've got to focus on attention, retention, and authority. And that is what's going to carry you through 2020 to help grow your car count. If you're still hanging around, go ahead and check this video out about a question I have for you. Should you price match when customers come in? And then check out this video about how one of my shop owners put bottom line profits of over $9,000 in the bank. Until the next time, I'm Matthew the Car Count Fixer. Can't wait to see you on the next video. Take care and talk soon.